Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Flat Earth Sage, and today is a really good day because today is the day I get the first cucumber of the year. Ta-da! I already took a little bite out of it. I couldn't help myself. And reason I like to grow these is not so much like why we'll eat it raw as is, but what I like to do is I like to chop up and dice up the cucumber, get a gallon of distilled water and mix the cucumbers in with the distilled water, and creating obviously cucumber water. And I've already done a video on cucumber water already on my channel, but just a little brief summary. This is very, very, very good for the skin. There's a reason why when you see people getting massages, they have those slices of cucumber on their eyes. There's a reason why. The cucurbins inside this cucumber will actually help to re-moisturize the face, in turn reducing the amount of wrinkles, giving your skin a nice glow to it. So if you're someone that suffers from stuff like acne or something like that, I definitely recommend this. If you're not interested in growing them, I definitely recommend buying organic cucumbers and try making cucumber water for yourself. Not only is it really good for your skin, but it tastes really good as well. It gives it a nice crisp flavor. And not only that, but this is also filled with antioxidants as well. So that's another good thing. So it can help eliminate the amount of free radicals in your body, just by either eating the cucumber or drinking the cucumber water. And my roommate Nick, he'll be the first to tell you that when we first started trying cucumber water and stuff like that, he told me, he was like, Matt, he's like, this is my first time ever trying cucumber water, and ever since I've been drinking the water, my skin feels a lot smoother. He had bumps on his face, gone, after drinking the cucumber water for a good while. And he was saying that his skin feels a lot more moisturized. And that's all to this amazing, amazing vegetable created by God. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little video briefly talking about cucumber water. And if you are someone who's starting a garden and stuff like that, there's still time to grow cucumbers. So if you like cucumbers, you have a garden, get on that. I highly recommend it. It is a little bit yellow at the bottom, but that's okay. If you let it get too yellow, it'll start turning bitter. So make sure you pick it when it's about full size, nice and green. This right here is okay. It's a small little spot at the bottom. As you can see, it's got like a little star type formation to it, which indicates that it was just now starting to overripe. So I picked it in the right time, because when I taste it, it's not bitter or anything like that. Tastes really good. So try growing cucumbers, try making your own cucumber water. It's very simple to do. You get you get your distilled water for maybe about less than $2.50 for a jug. You know, you dice up the cucumbers, pop them in the gallon of water. I recommend dumping a tiny bit of water out just so you have enough space so you can shake up the water, because you want to make sure you shake it up nice and good and get all those particles and stuff like that covering all the water. So yeah, you know. Anyways, hope you guys try it. Hope you guys try cucumber water. Hope you guys try growing cucumbers. And I hope everyone's doing well. Peace, guys.